Welcome to Pydle Day 11. Pydle is a daily puzzle that you need to solve by writing Python code. So you need to recreate the graphic on the right by writing Python code using the Pydle function to fill in the cells to match the colors and sometimes a character. So today's Pydle looks a bit like the Eiffel Tower, very crude because we only have 5 by 5 pixels. And then a little dove emoji flying above the tower. So see how you get on. Hope you can try today's Pydle. As usual, we're going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which explores the colors that are available within Pydle. So we've got 9 colors. So we've got these diagonal lines just in the different colors. Now, I said yesterday it's a bit more complicated today, so a bit more mathematical. So we're going to use the equation for a straight line. These are all diagonal straight lines. And the equation for a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Now, the slope of these lines is -1. Because if we use a Cartesian coordinate system for x increasing, y is decreasing by 1. Okay, so we're going to use that equation later. Now, I've created a list of the colors available in Pydle already. You need to do that yourself, but it goes just in the order as shown in the graphic. So brown, red, yellow, blue, etc. And we will use that later. Okay, so every color line, the y-intercept, so the c, is changing. So we're going to have a for loop for c in range. And if you imagine the brown pixel is a diagonal line and you extrapolate that to the y-axis, you see it's going to intercept at -4. And the black one is +4. Range needs the last index plus 1. Okay, and now we're going to take our x. So x goes from -2 to +2 if we use a Cartesian coordinate system. So we're going to have for x in range -2, 3, just to include the +2. Okay, and this is where we're going to use our equation to calculate y. So y equals -x plus c. All that remains is for us to plot our cells. So we need to translate that x and y into Pydle coordinates. So Pydle, we've got the y-axis inverted, and then the origin is on the top left corner. But we're going to do range checking. So I've just done it very simply. We could have changed the x to actually just go through the indexes we actually need. But to keep it simple, I'm just going to actually check, because the brown only plots 1 pixel and we're actually iterating over 5 numbers. But I'm just going to do bounds checking. So I'm going to say if y greater equals -2 and y less than equals +2, then we're going to plot using our Pydle function. Because the y is inverted, we need to do 2 minus y. And x, we can just do x plus 2 to convert into Pydle coordinates. Got no character. And how are we going to use our list of colors? We've got the y-intercept going from -4 to +4, and it is zero-based indexing for our list. So all we need to do is just add 4 to C to make it go from 0 to 8. So we're going to say C plus 4. Okay, so that should have solved the puzzle, unless I made a mistake. Let's run it. And there you go. That is the solution for today's Pydle. As I said, you can be more clever about your X in range, because it only needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then goes down. But to keep it simple, I just did it in the if statement. Let me know in the comments if you did it the other way. I hope you'll be able to solve the little tower puzzle today. Good luck and see you tomorrow.